Welcome back everyone. So this is fourth day, fourth color, and we are doing green today. So if you don't know already, I'm doing all rainbow colors inspired makeup looks. So let's get started with the makeup. I'm using this light green shade all over my eyelids. Have already done my base, so I'm just gonna start with eye makeup. So this color will give me that base for my next eyeshadows. So I'm just going to apply it and then blend it nicely. After that, I'm going in with this pearly green color all over my eyelids, and then I'll make sure it's blended nicely. So the base color is literally popping up the pearly green color, as you can see. So using base color will help you to get that vibrant proper color on your eyelids. So yes, I'm just doing that and making sure it's blended nicely. So for now I'm just using the flat brush to blend off the eyeshadows, and then I'll move on with this blending brush to make sure everything is blended nicely and there are no harsh edges. Then next up I'm using eyeliner. So first I'll start with thin liner, and then I'll make sure I'll build my eyeliner like how I want it to be. Like I'll make sure it is not too thick or not too thin. Then after that I'll wing my liner to the outer corner like I'm doing here. So just after you wing your outer corner, just connect it to your inner corner and fill it up. That's all. It's so easy and you just need practice to do this. So next up I'm using this Stay Quirky green color eyeliner on top of this black color eyeliner. So this will make sure your colored liner will pop even more. So yeah, I'm just doing that. I'm just filling it on my black liner like I'm doing here. So this is how it looks, and I'll be doing same on the other eye. After that I'm using this a dark green eyeshadow for my outer corner. Like I'm just placing it on my outer corner and dragging it inwards, and then making sure it's blended with my lid color, and then I'm reapplying the light green shade. That's all. And then I'm finishing off my eye look with the mascara. I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with this same mascara. Then I'm using concealer to hide all the blemishes, dark spots, everything, and I did set my face with this loose powder from LAKME. So I just did set whole face with the same powder. Then coming back to eye makeup, I'm using this green kajal from Blue Heaven. I'll be applying it on my waterline, and I'll be dragging through my lower lash line as well. I'll just apply it halfway through my lash line, as you can see here, like this. So I'll be doing same on the other eye, and then I'll be finishing off my eye look with the mascara for my lower lashes. Then using this MODA blush, I'll be contouring my face with this blush. I'm just gonna do this blush contour thing. So yes, I'll be doing it on my cheeks and on my jawline. After that, using this eyeshadow as a highlighter. So I'm highlighting my highest points as usual, and this works amazing as a highlighter even though this is eyeshadow. So yes, after that I'm highlighting my inner corner as well. Then I'm setting my face with the setting spray, and I'll make sure everything is blended nicely into my skin. So next I'm using this lip liner. It's a nude lip liner. So I'll be lining and filling my lips with the same pencil, and then I'll be applying this liquid lipstick from NY Bay on top. So with that we finished this fourth day, fourth color, and this green color makeup look. So I really hope you all liked this green color makeup look, and I really hope you have watched all my 3 colors. So if you haven't already, I'll put that link in the description box, so please check it out. And yes, with that I'll wrap this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.